bouncy and cool. Jamie felt proud that she knew all the shapes. Shapes are everywhere, she said, in nature, in toys, and even food. Knowing them helps me understand the world around me better. And with that, Jamie skipped off, ready to find even more shapes on her next adventure. Did you like the story? Well, if you did, make sure to like and subscribe and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching!